Here I have Huawei Honor 20i, and today I'm going to show you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to enter, scroll down a bit, go to the system and updates, then go to the language and input, language and region, add a language. Here you can see the whole list of languages in which you can set up your device. You can also update your list, and after that there will disappear other languages if you can't find preferred language in this list. Let's select, for example, Ukrainian, and then change. And after that, system language will be changed to Ukrainian. If you want to change it back to English, just go to the налаштування, then to the система й оновлення, мова та спосіб ведення, мова та регіон, and select English. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.